In today's video, we are making these two poop signs. Listen, the phrase is funny to me. May not be to you, but they're funny to me. So, one of the signs we are making is a sign that reads, "Here I sit, brokenhearted, came to poop, but only part." So, I don't know. It's my sense of humor. But we use some epoxy. We use our Cricut cutting machines for this. We also made a second sign. This sign is 5-star. We'll definitely poop here again. Now, I know. I mean, this is for somebody with the perfect sense of humor. What's up, y'all? Today we are about to be creating two bathroom signs. Listen, these canvas signs, to me, was very dope. Not everybody in my house thought the same about these little phrases, but let's get to work. So today I am going to simply use permanent Oracle vinyl. I'm going to place it on my 12 by 24 inch Cricut mat. Listen, the 12 by 24 inch Cricut mats are huge, and I feel like I always gotta keep placing it and replacing it. So I chopped that out the video and showed y'all just this one flat time. So now that I place my vinyl on my mat, I am simply letting my Cricut do its job. While my Cricut is cutting my vinyl, I'm going to prep my canvases. Prep my canvases really just mean take them out the wrappers. Because there was really no prep that had to be done. I literally just took them out the wrapper and they were ready to go. These were fluid paint canvases. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. You know, the paint that kind of just slides. Yeah, it was that kind of paint canvas. But listen, what I'm doing right now is really a tip. Like, no, pull the mat from the paper, from the vinyl, from whatever you're taking off of it. Pull the mat away from it. Don't do it the other way because it messes up your vinyl. You have it all bent up, all out of shape. You don't need that. So let's get on your design out of your vinyl. Now, I tried to do this little transition. It worked. So I did a little transition because weeding really takes forever, depending on what you weeding, how you weeding, whatever the case may be. So every project I do with my Cricut, most times needs weed. So I didn't feel like I needed to show you guys that long step-by-step process. So transitioned it. Now you see me placing my transfer tape from expressionsvinyl.com over my image. So this way I'm going to peel it and place it. Peel and place. I'm going to peel it and place it. Peel it and place it. Peel it and place it. And peel it and place it. Peel it and place it. Peel it and place it. Now let me tell y'all. I did that whole peel it and place it dance, but to be quite honest with you, because of the type of canvas that I used this time, the permanent vinyl did not just stick to the board. I put the parchment paper under my vinyl image so that I can line it up and get it in the center. However, I didn't really need to do that because the vinyl was not sticking to the board. So it was one of those things where when I tried to lift the transfer tape off of the vinyl, everything was peeling back up. But that's simply because of the type of canvas that I'm using today. So that canvas that I was using actually had like a gloss on top of it. So I'm going to seal in my image. So I'm using epoxy resin for that. Now I feel like before you dive into using epoxy, you should take the time to do the research and understand like what safety precautions you need to take before using the resin. So listen, although it's one of the best things to help seal in things, it is also very hazardous. So basically that's what I'm doing here. I'm not giving you a step-by-step on that because I feel like I want you to research and look up that information for yourself before you actually attempt to or start using epoxy resin. So in regards to my specific image and my project in this video, my epoxy still has some bubbles in it, so I did use a torch and some alcohol to kind of get those bubbles to evaporate and dissolve. And when it dried, baby, it dried perfectly. So that's that for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was, you know, a tad bit more entertaining than rather than just a voiceover. So let me know how you like this this video style, and I'll see you in my next video. Yep, peace, bye.